back to the channel, and if you're new here, thanks for tapping in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As you guys probably could see, that it is raining. It's nasty outside. It's nasty out here. And a little update, we're not in North Carolina right now. We just touched down back in Maryland, home, and today we're just gonna hang out with co-workers and friends. I did my little edges today. It don't look good. It don't look perfect, but it look good. You won't believe what I use, because I don't have no edge control. I use got to be glue. You call me ghetto if you want to, but I use that. Yeah, it worked. Oh, and I also have to pick up some graduation tickets for my cousin, because tomorrow is the big day. OMG, I'm so excited for her, so proud of her because she did it. And I also got a letter saying something about jury duty. Did I say it right? Jury duty, where I have to appear in court. This is my first time. I'm actually kind of excited to know what type of case it is, because I'm into like forensics, criminal stuff like that. If you have been before, please let me know how it is, what should I do, and what to wear, and yeah, let me know, so I don't go looking, you know, like, you know what I'm trying to say. So I don't go looking like, what is she, like, why she come here looking like that? You know? This way anyway. I hate when it rains. It's raining, guys. Right, girl. I'm gonna drop this in the mail. Then I need to go to CVS to add some money to my cash app for my brother. Came from CVS to add some money on my card so that I can add it on Cash App.
5 minutes later.
It is new black eye. Smells so good. Oof, so good. And that's done. And on to the next stop we go. Okay, where my girl go? I'm back, honey, and we're recording for YouTube. You're not gonna be in the camera. You're not in the camera. I don't want my new phone to crack. Okay, I'm back, guys.
Are you really doing a YouTube right now?
Yeah.
Yes. So can you go on the other side?
Yes, I am doing YouTube right now. Let me show y'all what we looking at. Let me pick out my candy that she's going to buy me. Okay, I'm gonna get a Hershey's. It's between Hershey's and Reese's. Thank you. Thank you.
That candy.
No, it would have been free.
Where's security? Put her out. Put the pizza out.
It's a big piece too.
Go back. T-Mop put me on.
You're good. You're good.
You need a mechanic?
Huh?
You need a mobile mechanic?
No.
I was mad. T-Mop put me on YouTube.
Oh, he doing it? So let me open the door for you, girl.
Oh, God.
Let me open the door for you, girl. Let me show y'all my stuff. My Miss Sonia.
Make sure you got the right stuff, too.
Hey, girl. Let me show them my stuff first. Woo! Woo! Lordy. I should have recorded when I was eating the food, but I was eating like I never ate before, and I didn't want you guys to judge me. The food was 10 out of 10, y'all, and I will be going back.
Booty lordy. Look at that.
Ooh, that pasta look good.
Man.